We are super thrilled to bring a phenomenal new addition to our Mi Notebook family, the Mi Notebook Ultra. Let's take a closer look at what the new Mi Notebook brings, starting with the design. The Mi Notebook Ultra is made from Series 6 aluminium, an aircraft-grade alloy, precision cut using a CNC machine with an accuracy of up to 50 microns. The surface of the laptop is anodized and sandblasted with minute ceramic particles, resulting in a smooth and uniform texture. And now, to show you how balanced the weight distribution is, let me open the notebook with a single finger. Let's take a closer look inside. The Mi Notebook Ultra features a high 89% screen-to-body ratio. And within the narrow top bezel, we've managed to integrate a HD webcam to make your work and personal calls easier. Located at the top right of the device, the power button on the Mi Notebook Ultra doubles up as a fingerprint scanner and lets you unlock the notebook almost instantaneously. Southwest of the power button is a scissor keyboard with 83 full-size keys. To enable tactile and accurate feedback, each key has a deep 1.5 mm travel distance. And yes, we listen to you, Mi fans, it's backlit with 3 levels of brightness. And who doesn't love a large touchpad, right? 62% larger than last year, it supports Windows Precision drivers with gesture control, making browsing and scrolling through content super easy. Besides a great keyboard and a touchpad, a power user needs future-proof connectivity. For this, the Mi Notebook Ultra includes a brand new Thunderbolt 4.0 port, which opens up a host of connectivity options. It's blazing fast with 40 Gbps bandwidth, and that's up to 8 times as fast as USB 3.2. By daisy chaining 2 4K displays or by using a compatible dock, you can finally have the beautiful multi-monitor setup you deserve. Thunderbolt 4 is versatile and powerful at the same time. With the Mi Notebook Ultra, you get the best of both worlds. A Type-C USB port with power delivery, HDMI 1.4, 2 USB-A ports, and a hybrid 3.5 mm audio jack, in addition to Thunderbolt. Moving to the bottom cover. Large cooling vents and an elevated rubber stand ensure that the Mi Notebook Ultra runs cool at all times. A pair of stereo speakers with DTS audio processing enhance your audio experience with presets for movies, music, and gaming. You can even customize your own audio experience. A finely crafted notebook deserves nothing less than a flagship display. With all of us spending at least 8 hours in front of a laptop screen every day, we decided to raise the bar on what a great laptop screen needs to offer power users. Today, we're introducing the game-changing 15.6-inch Mi TrueLife Plus display. It comprises of 4 key elements. The first is true-to-life detail. The display has a brilliant 3.2K resolution, which is 3 times that of Full HD. With a pixel density of 242 ppi, the images are sharp and detailed. Also, with the 16:10 aspect ratio and 5% more vertical space over the traditional 16:9 aspect ratio, the Mi Notebook Ultra is perfect for enhanced productivity, while also being great for content creation and consumption. The second element is true-to-life color. With 100% sRGB wide color gamut, the Mi TrueLife Plus display offers a richer viewing experience, letting you not only view content the way it's meant to be, but also to bring your creative vision to life. The third element is true-to-life motion. To give power users a smoother working experience, the Mi TrueLife Plus display supports a 90 Hz refresh rate, resulting in 50% more visual information than the more widely available 60 Hz. While true-to-life visuals are important, so are your eyes, and that's why the fourth element is eye safety. The Mi TrueLife Plus display comes with TUV Rhineland certified hardware level low blue light protection, which filters out nearly half of all the harmful blue light without compromising color fidelity. Hardware level DC dimming reduces flicker further, making your screen time in any lighting condition a lot more enjoyable. To give you some perspective, here's how the Mi Notebook Ultra's display compares with those on other flagship devices. With true-to-life visual features and added eye safety, it offers tremendous tangible value. With thoughtful and balanced design and a true-to-life display, do we have the performance then to close the loop? The answer is a resounding yes. Performance on a thin and light notebook hinges on 3 elements: processor, memory, and storage. For the processor, we picked one from Intel's latest 11th generation Tiger Lake H35 series, the i7-11370H. With the power of the 10 nanometer SuperFin process technology, it offers a blend of productivity and graphics performance while being super efficient. And on the PC Mark 10 benchmark, which measures productivity performance for modern office needs, is an 18% improvement over the last generation. This benefits most commonly used productivity applications. Performance isn't all about productivity though. What about graphics? Integrated graphics performance has always been underwhelming, but with the Mi Notebook Ultra and the power of Iris Xe graphics, that's now history. How much better is it? It's 2 times the performance of the previous generation, and that is a phenomenal improvement. How does Iris Xe graphics perform in games? The Mi Notebook Ultra is perfect for casual gaming at Full HD on Windows 10. Here's how it trades blows with a mobile GPU like the NVIDIA MX350 in some really popular games. And don't worry, we haven't forgotten the creators and prosumers amongst you. Iris Xe graphics on the 11th Gen i7 enables better editing experiences and faster creation on video and photo workloads that Adobe users care about, with up to 78% more performance over the last gen. Having sufficient RAM or memory to load multiple applications is vital for multitasking. Again, we listened seriously to the power users among Mi fans and included up to 16 GB of fast 3200 MHz DDR4 RAM in the Mi Notebook Ultra. Demanding data-intensive tasks now won't slow you down anymore. Having sufficient RAM or memory to load multiple applications is vital for multitasking. You can also say goodbye to slow boot-ups, data transfers, and application installations with the 512 GB NVMe SSD storage, which is up to 30 times faster and a lot more secure than regular hard disks. And that's not all. We also made sure you're always connected. With Wi-Fi 6, expect more than 4 times better connection in crowded environments and 40% higher peak data rates. Bluetooth 5.1 enables faster and reliable connections with lesser power consumption. All of this means more reliable and much faster wireless connectivity for you. With such a high quality display and performance that stands out, you need power storage that's enough to last a working day, but also charge fast enough to let you get on the move again in a short time. The Mi Notebook Ultra integrates a day-long 12-hour battery which charges via Type-C and Thunderbolt 4 ports. In the box, you get a 65-watt charger that can charge all your Type-C gadgets. While the Mi Notebook Ultra is perfect for those who prefer heavy-duty performance with a large display, we also have something very special for the hustlers who are always on the move. Introducing the Mi Notebook Pro. The Mi Notebook Pro is crafted from the same aircraft-grade aluminum alloy as the Mi Notebook Ultra. At 17.3 mm thin and 1.4 kg light, it's a true lean, mean machine. With the Mi Notebook Pro, we are bringing the Mi True Life display, which offers a Quad HD Plus resolution or 2560x1600 in a 16:10 aspect ratio with 100% sRGB color gamut and with TUV low blue light protection and DC dimming. Like the Mi Notebook Ultra, it also comes with 11th Gen Intel Tiger Lake i5 or i7 processor with Iris Xe graphics for uncompromised performance. Supporting the processor is up to 16 GB RAM and a 512 GB NVMe SSD. This is perfect for power users on the move. Even though it's compact, the Mi Notebook Pro retains all the connectivity options from the Ultra. Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, Thunderbolt 4, USB Type-C, HDMI, USB-A and a 3.5 mm audio jack. And supporting all this amazing hardware is a day-long 11-hour battery. All the laptops that we launched today come pre-installed with Windows 10 Home and Microsoft Office Home and Student 2019. And that's not all. The new Mi Notebooks launched today and our last year's Mi Notebooks are eligible for a free upgrade to Windows 11 when available. As you can see, the Mi Notebook Ultra is the only device that brings the latest 11th generation Core i7 H35 processor. The Mi Notebook Ultra with the latest 11th generation Intel processor and Mi True Life Plus display will start at Rs 59,999 only. Notebook Pro with the latest 11th generation Intel processor and Mi True Life display will start at rupees 56,999 only.